And good day, creators. So here is a tip for you guys if you would like to do a lot of painting and have a little bit more control over the mess that is made. As you can see here, we do have a few things. This is just an everyday garbage bag that you can have the drops from your paint to go onto. You can flip them over, fold them up, turn them right side in, and then reuse them the same way. So these are really great, and the paint comes right off of them, so you get lovely skin like this. You guys can see that it does actually look better in person, but you get my drift. So, and then also this is just a dollar store rack. You get 2 in a pack for $1. Really good type of drying rack, and this is just an everyday old gaming board. You can also use a really thick cardboard piece of wood. It doesn't matter as long as it's the same, well, a little bit over the same width as your drying rack. So what we're going to do to make this a lot easier for when we paint and when you go to dry it and want just to pick up everything and move, what you're going to do is get your plastic bag. When you get your plastic bag, you take your cardboard. Okay, then you take your cardboard, you take your bag. Sorry guys. And you just slide it in. Don't ask me why this is taking such a hard time with this. It's like Scotch Guard, guys. It's Scotch Guard. Then you just fill it out. Fits perfectly right into the corner there. Make sure everything is flat, because if any paint does fall on this, that is how it will settle. Okay, and then you have your drying rack on this side. You have your paint or whatever you're going to do on this side. Let's say we're going to go ahead and pour our bowl here. You would pull your bowl, pick it up, bring it over to your station, or even, you know, have this on something else, pour it, move it, just like that. And then, like I said, this is droppings fall in here, the droppings fall here. And when this is done, what you can do is just pull it right back out, and then you have a really nice piece you can display it on. But this is great because, like I said, you can also open up the cardboard so it fits, you know, fully inside the bag, because these do unfold. But when you lift them up, you do want to make sure that you remember there's a crease in the board so they will tilt. But these are perfect. I mean, just look at that. Easy, no mess. They don't move around. They have a little bit of flexibility to them, and that's just because you're picking them up. But if you hold them, you know, with 2 hands, you'll be perfectly fine. So guys, I hope that at least helps. I hope that gave you a little bit of a trick what you guys can do. Like I said, the droppings from your paints, from your pours, all of that stuff turns into some really cool skins. Like that you guys can reuse for other things. Possibilities are wonderful, guys. You just gotta think about it. And once you guys pull these up, these skins up, this is parchment paper. It actually says it's wax paper, but inside of the box it was this. And you can just store these right there, and they don't stick. Oops, see, they don't skip. They fly right out. Okay, guys, I hope you have a great day. I hope you guys smiled at least once, and I hope you learned something. If you guys have any tips for me, definitely let me know in the comments below, and I'll catch you later. Happy crafting all. Bye.